What if I told you that the platform you choose for your dropshipping business could be the single biggest factor determining your success, even more so than your product or your marketing? It sounds dramatic, I know, but for so many entrepreneurs venturing into the world of e-commerce, the foundational decision of picking the right platform is often underestimated. You've probably heard of Shopify, right? It's practically synonymous with online stores. But then there's Spocket, a name that's gaining serious traction, especially for dropshippers looking for a curated product selection and reliable suppliers. So here's the burning question. Is Spocket better than Shopify? Now, before we dive deep into a head-to-head comparison, let's set the stage. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform. Think of it as your virtual storefront builder, inventory manager, payment processor, and even your marketing assistant all rolled into one. It gives you the tools to create a beautiful, functional online store from scratch. No coding required. You have complete control over your branding, your product listings, your customer data, everything. It's incredibly powerful and flexible, which is why it's the go-to for millions of businesses, from small boutiques to massive enterprises. Spocket, on the other hand, isn't a standalone e-commerce platform in the same way Shopify is. Instead, Spocket is a dropshipping marketplace. It's a platform that connects you with suppliers, primarily in the US and Europe, offering high-quality products with fast shipping times. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing e-commerce store, most notably Shopify, but also WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and others. So, if you're looking at Spocket versus Shopify, you're not always comparing apples to apples. Often, you're comparing a complete store builder, Shopify, with a product sourcing tool that enhances your store, Spocket. This distinction is crucial, and it's where many people get confused. Let's start by looking at what Shopify offers as a standalone solution. Its biggest strength is its comprehensive nature. You get to build your brand from the ground up. You choose your theme, customize your pages, set up your own domain, and control the entire customer journey. This level of brand ownership is invaluable. Shopify's App Store is also a massive advantage, offering thousands of integrations for everything from email marketing and SEO to customer support and accounting. If there's a feature you need, chances are there's a Shopify app for it. However, this power and flexibility come with a learning curve. While user-friendly, setting up a fully optimized Shopify store still requires some time and effort. You're responsible for everything, including finding your products, managing your inventory, even if it's dropshipped, and handling all customer service. The subscription fees, while reasonable for what you get, are also a recurring cost to factor in. Now, let's shift our focus to Spocket. Where does it shine? Spocket's primary value proposition lies in its curated marketplace of dropshipping products. Unlike some other platforms that pull from vast, often unregulated, global suppliers, Spocket focuses on quality and reliability. The majority of their suppliers are based in the US and Europe, which translates to significantly faster shipping times for customers in those regions. A huge competitive advantage in dropshipping. No one wants to wait weeks for their order. Faster shipping leads to happier customers, fewer complaints, and higher repeat business. Another key benefit of Spocket is its emphasis on branded invoicing. Many suppliers on Spocket allow you to include your own branded invoices with orders, enhancing the professional appearance of your business and reinforcing your brand identity, something often overlooked in the dropshipping world. The product selection tends to lean towards unique, high-quality, and often trending items, making it easier to find winning products that stand out from the generic offerings you might find elsewhere. Spocket also streamlines the order fulfillment process, allowing you to easily import products and fulfill orders with just a few clicks. So, when is Spocket better than Shopify? This isn't a direct comparison of two similar tools, but rather an evaluation of which solution might be more suitable depending on your specific needs and goals. Spocket is arguably better if your primary focus is dropshipping with fast shipping. If your target audience is in the US or Europe and you want to offer quick delivery times, Spocket's supplier network is a significant advantage. You prioritize product quality and curation. If you're tired of sifting through thousands of low-quality, generic products, Spocket's emphasis on vetting suppliers and offering unique items will be a breath of fresh air. You want to simplify product sourcing and fulfillment. Spocket takes a lot of the headache out of finding reliable suppliers and managing orders, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. You already have an e-commerce platform, like Shopify, and need a reliable dropshipping integration. Spocket isn't designed to be your entire store, but rather a powerful add-on that enhances your existing platform. On the flip side, Shopify is better if you want to build a comprehensive, multi-product e-commerce store with full brand control. If you envision a robust online store that sells a variety of products, not just drop-shipped items, and you want complete ownership of your brand and customer experience, Shopify is the clear winner. You plan to sell a mix of drop-shipped and self-fulfilled products. Shopify allows you to manage different fulfillment methods seamlessly within the same store. You need extensive customization and app integrations. Shopify's vast app store and customization options provide unparalleled flexibility for scaling and optimizing your business. You're building an e-commerce business that might evolve beyond dropshipping. Shopify's infrastructure supports various business models, making it a future-proof choice. The truth is, for most successful dropshippers, the answer isn't Spocket or Shopify, but rather Spocket and Shopify. They complement each other beautifully. You use Shopify to build your powerful, branded online store, and then you integrate Spocket to source high-quality, fast-shipping products to sell on that store. Shopify provides the canvas, and Spocket provides the premium paint. This combination allows you to leverage the robust e-commerce capabilities of Shopify while benefiting from Spocket's curated product selection and streamlined dropshipping process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.